Lately, these Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos are getting millions upon millions of views, despite being easy and simple to make. This Instagram page have absolutely blown up, going from 0 to 10 million plus followers in 2 months, and that's only by making relaxing videos using the power of AI. If you keep watching till the end of this video, I will show you more ways to make money from these kinds of videos, so stay tuned. Now let's move on the step-by-step tutorial. You want to start with AI image generator. You can use any image generator you like. Leonardo is the best. To generate living rooms, I recommend to use Leonardo diffusion model. I have created a prompt which you can use to generate this living room. You can find the prompt in the description below. Now click generate. Nice. Download the image. Now you need to generate an image for the background, because you need to create this separately. I have also created a prompt for this background. Simply input the prompt and click generate. Now you will need to cut out the windows from your image. You can do this in P. This is a free Photoshop program you can use in your browser. To cut out the windows, use this tool. Now select one corner of the window and select each corner. And simply press backspace on your keyboard. Do this to all windows. In the next step, we are going to add a snow effect background behind this window. Before that, go to File, Export As and choose the PNG file and select Save. Now let's dive into the editing process. For this, I highly recommend using CapCut. Now add your background image first. Click Overlay and add your main image. Now you will need a snow effect green screen video. Simply go to YouTube and search for snow green screen. Pick one you like and download the video. Next, go back to CapCut and upload the video. Now place this video between the background image and main image. To do this, go to Layer and select number 1. To remove the green color, find Cutout, Chroma key and select the color picker. Click Intensity and increase until the green background disappears. Go to Adjustment, set the saturation to the left and brightness to the right. The next step is to make the snow effect video smaller. Simply copy multiple times. Now select the background image and go to Adjustment, then decrease the brightness to make the background darker. Now select Export. Import this video back into CapCut because I want to add a fireplace. To do this, go to YouTube and search Fire Green Screen. Pick one you like and download the video. Add into the timeline. Remove the green background. Crop the top of the fire and add into fireplace. And then export. Now again import the video back into CapCut. Change the aspect ratio to portrait. And enlarge the video and place into the left side of the screen. Now add keyframe to make the video move from left to the right. Add the first keyframe in the beginning of the video and move on the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Now place the video slightly to the right. As you can see, the video now moving. Now let's watch the final result. Thanks for watching till next time.